Alright, let's say we deploy this strategy, and how do we adjust our position if price run in a one direction? Alright, so let's see the criteria. Rule number one. Okay, let me make it a little more bigger. Alright, rule number one. Rule the untested side and manage the delta. Delta become 15 to 30. Let's say when we deploy this strategy, that was call delta was 15. All right, and the put delta also was 15. Let's say, all right. Okay, so suppose market goes up, then what happened? Call delta will increase. All right, now let's say call delta become 30 and put delta will decrease, and now it's like a 5 or something like that. All right, so when we are just focusing on call delta, remember, when call delta, when market is running upside, we are focusing on call delta. When market is running downside, we are focusing on put side. Now let's say market is running in an upside. Now delta become 30. All right, so what we will do, we'll close the put side. All right, and we'll reopen in the same put delta at that time. Means we are hedging the delta. Let's see here. Means here I can say 155. Let me draw 155. Okay. All line. Okay, this line. 155. Sorry, 15555 somewhere there. Okay, this one, and another upside strike price, that is 230. Let me draw 230 here. All right, 230 and 155 our strike price. When we deploy this strategy, let's see, delta is 50 for your better understanding. Okay, let me, all right, let's see, call delta 15, and here put delta also 15. All right, so let's say market goes up. All right, a little more somewhere there. Now call delta become like 30. All right, and now put delta it become like let's say 5 right now. All right, so when call delta become 30, we will close our put side. All right, we will book our profit. All right, and we will reopen somewhere here strike price. All right, let's say now put side 170 strike price, delta is 30. All right, delta is 30. So we'll reopen this strike price, which is 30 delta put. What is the meaning of that? Because right now call delta become 30, so that is why we are looking for 30 put delta. All right, so means we hedge the delta. All right, so means if price goes up, we are not paying too much. It is almost hedged. All right, that is the first condition. And the next condition, rule number 2. So let's say market goes up too high. All right, so let's say market is consistently going up and up. All right, first here we adjust 30 delta. Now again price goes up, so what we will do? So next condition, convert to straddle. All right, first when market goes up somewhere there, we adjust by using 30 delta, we hedge our position, and market again goes now from 30 delta to become 45. Again it increased by 15. All right, again increased by 15. Now call delta is somewhere here, call delta is 45. So now what we will do here, first that was a strangle, now we will convert it to a straddle. Straddle means same strike price, call sell and put sell. All right, so I'll create a straddle strategy also very soon. Now here what was our strike price? 230. All right, we sold 230 call and 150 put, right? When delta become 45, what we are going to do, we will convert to straddle, means same put to 30 strike price, we will sell to 30 strike price. All right, now what will be this strategy? That will be a straddle, right? Same means 230 call sell, 230 put sell. Now it will become like that. All right, that is called straddle. Now it will become straddle. This is the second adjustment. All right, when we are doing this adjust, when call delta become 45, first 30 we adjust our position, again price goes up, it will become 45 delta, we will convert to a straddle. All right, next adjustment, that is called invert your position when delta become 45 to 60. Let's say, all right, let's say here suppose price goes up toward upside, price goes up to this level, now become 30 delta. First we will adjust, again price goes up, it will become 45 call delta, so we will adjust, we convert to straddle, and again price goes up to 60 delta. What we'll do now, we'll close our position, put side position. All right, and we'll reopen. Now call delta is showing 60, we'll reopen at least 60 to 70 delta, that is put. All right, so we convert it. Now it will become in the money, and that will be also in the money. All right, both will be in the money. Now you can see here, when call delta becomes 60 means it's in the money. To hedge our position, we'll close our put delta and we'll reopen above this strike price. What was the strike price? Strike price was 230. All right, now we'll reopen at that time, let's say 280 somewhere, 280 strike price, put delta is 70, so we'll reopen this one. All right, we'll close the put and we will sell another put which is 280 strike price, means we are focusing on delta where delta is 70. All right, that is adjustment. So means right now here you can see we will reopen in the money delta, in the money strike price, and already let's say call delta is in the money to hedge our position. That is called invert adjustment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.